what's up guys? Welcome to another video. I am in LA, California today. We're here for a couple hours. I decided to do a vlog here. We're gonna spend about a good 10 hours here in LA. So we're gonna go do a little exploring. I thought I'd bring you guys along. We're starting off our day here at the Grand Central Market, which is a large food hall, and I just found out it's 101 years old, so it's similar to the one that they have in Philadelphia where I was at. I think it's called the Reading Market over there. I can't remember the name. Anyways, I'll link that vlog down if you want to check it out. But yeah, we're gonna start our day off here and go explore LA for a little bit. We'll go check this place out called PBJ LA. I guess they do peanut butter and jelly, but I'm not sure if I'm in the mood for that. I'm gonna pass on that PB&J. I want to get something. So I decided to come in the China Cafe. It's got great reviews. I'm gonna try this out here. CMB Coffee?
GMB.
We'll stop here at CMB Coffee and pick up a coffee to go, and then head to the City Hall. Go upstairs on the City Hall and get a view of LA. Okay, we're gonna go to the Last Bookstore. We heard that's a real cool store, so we're gonna go check that out. Now we're just walking through downtown LA right now. Get the cool city vibes here in Cali. Also, why are we going to a bookstore, you might ask? It's well, we're pressed for time. We're here for a short couple hours, and so we're not looking to do anything that's gonna cost us a lot of time to save money. So anything that's free, you know, it's all good. So on our way to this bookstore, we came across 5th Street, and they have a farmer's market here, and it's done every Sunday is what I was just told. It's got a bunch of little stands here with fruits, foods, drinks. Pretty cool. The Last Bookstore here in LA is California's largest new and used bookstore and record store. I didn't know they sold records here. And they also encourage people to come out here and trade books, records. They have a section for that over there, which is pretty cool. So I'm gonna just keep exploring. It's a really cool, relaxed vibe here. They got some music going. Everybody's just looking at all types of books here. They have a wide variety of books. Yeah, pretty quirky spot. They have a vault. They call it the horror vault. And then they have this tunnel made out of books. It's really cool. Oh, this is pretty neat. Gotta have all the books up here. Whole tunnel of the books. This store is a lot bigger than I thought. I mean, it's kind of deceiving when you come in there, but it's expanded all over, and they got plenty of space and books up here. Got agua de horchata. Cheers. Good stuff, refreshing. We wanted to go to City Hall, but it's Sunday and it's closed. To go get a couple shots on the observation deck there, so we're not gonna be able to make it there. By the way, that bookstore was a lot of fun. Planned for at least an hour in there. You get caught up in there and it takes up quite some time. What are we doing now, man?
That's what we're trying to figure out. Hang on.
Okay. So we're headed over to the Los Angeles Library. So I want to take some shots. The building in there is really nice in there. But where? Pershing Square? This is really why I wanted to come check out the library, not because I wanted to hang out at the library, but I wanted to come see this rotunda, which is full of really nice art, murals, and it has some nice history, or not nice history, it has some history behind it. All right, so just a little bit of background on these murals you'll see here. They have two different series. The top one are the original ones, which were created back in 1933. The LA Public Library commissioned an artist named Dean Cornwell to create the series of murals that you see up there. The idea was that these images would display or depict
the history of California in various stages, but in these murals you don't see that. They fail to recognize the suffering of native peoples during the European conquest, as well as their exclusion from society, among other things as well. Up until this past fall of 2017, Dean Cornwell was the only artist to have ever painted in the rotunda of the Central Library. But in celebration of the Oaxaca people and the Zapotec community, they brought in the collective Tlacololocos. And so they were brought in to work on a project named Visualizing Language Oaxaca in LA. And their series of murals, which are the ones on the bottom here, are a series of murals that depict their contemporary view of what it is to be a migrant in Los Angeles and in Oaxaca, Mexico in the 21st century. The exhibition has been up all fall and will be removed on January 31st, 2018.
Now I think we're just gonna head out to Santa Monica or something like that. Go get out of the city and do a little exploring in that area. All right guys, so we decided to make our way over to Malibu, and we just got on the PCH, the Pacific Coast Highway, and we're gonna go all the way out to the Malibu Pier, hang out for a little bit, and probably, I don't know, find something to eat later and head back to the airport. But amazing views already. All right guys, we pulled over here just to check out the views here on Malibu. Obviously you can go way deeper that way, but we're just gonna, because we gotta get going to the airport, we're just gonna stop here. My friend's gonna meet us here real quick. Malibu was really nice. Unfortunately, it was a little cloudy. The whole trip since we've been here, last 2 days, has been a lot of like clouds and a lot of fog. Hope you guys enjoyed that footage I just showed you. We made our way over here. Right down the street is Santa Monica Pier. So we're gonna come check this out for a little bit. This is gonna be our last stop before we head over to the airport and head home. So let's do a little exploring here in Santa Monica before we go home. Guys, so I'm just here waiting with Julie. Come here, Julie, say hi.
Hello.
Just kind of want to recap the day because we started off at the Grand Central Market. We went to the Last Bookstore, then we went to the Farmer's Market there, right next to it. Then we went to the LA Library. We headed over to Malibu. Now we're at the Santa Monica Pier. Like I said earlier, we're only here for about 10 hours, so, or that's all, not only here for 10 hours because we've been here longer, but we had 10 hours today. So far I'm really enjoying LA so much that I want to come back and do some more exploring and get to see more of the city because so little time, you know. My God, I just noticed the bags I have under my eyes, guys. I just replayed that last clip. I can't get over how tired I look. All right, let's get something to eat. Where we going?
Let's figure out what's good here.
All right, so this is a view of Santa Monica here. All the way down there is Venice Beach. I really wish we would have came here during the daytime because I'm pretty sure the view would have been a whole lot nicer. All right, updating the vlog here because we're gonna close this out real soon. We're at this restaurant by the airport called Truxton's. The food is really good, really delicious. But actually, I think I'm gonna just go ahead and wrap this vlog up right here.
We're tired.
Yeah, I'm very tired. We're about to catch a red eye, so I'm looking forward to getting some rest on my flight here. But that's gonna do it for this one. Guys, if you're new to my channel, take a look around, see if you like the content, consider subscribing, click on that subscribe button. Let's link up on all the social media platforms. Check out my links down below. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.